Wichita's.
This is an Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Texas Department of Public Safety is searching for Enos Rascon. He is Hispanic, male, 1-year-old, date of birth January 21st, 2015. He is 30 inches tall, 34 pounds, had brown, eye-color brown, and last seen wearing a blue shirt and neckband. Police are looking for Edwin Rascon. Hispanic, male, 19 years old, date of birth October 15th, 1997. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall, 190 pounds, brown hair, green eyes, and last seen wearing black jeans, a black shirt, and a white hat in connection with his abduction. The suspect is driving an auto red 2006 Chevrolet Cruze or Malibu with a paper tag license plate with number unknown. The suspect was last heard from in the town of Andrews in West Texas, just north of Odessa, Midland. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in great or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Texas Department of Public Safety at 432-498-4130.